Go ahead, please go to the OneDrive now.
Oh,
OneDrive is developed by the Microsoft, is a cloud-based solution, cloud-based service. Before the OneDrive came available, means became available for everyone, it was the Microsoft SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint was actually the application each company, they actually install on premises, and their team member use. What is the purpose? The purpose of this, the project documentation can be stored. What is the project documentation means? You can store the file, Word documents, Excel document, PowerPoint, and you can actually maintain the version. Version means if multiple people working on a Word documents, you can actually see who has changed, when the change was made. It's kind of the Git. You can do the same thing for the Excel. You can do the same thing from the PowerPoint. What is the value? Value is multiple people or the series of the team member can work collaboratively so they can see where is the documentation. What is the disadvantage not to use it? Disadvantage is if Faria only use the Word documents on her computer, nobody knows what is happening, then the collaboration is missed. Or if Faria's computer crashed, then the Faria lost the documentation. These are the reason it's disadvantage. Working using this type of tool, OneDrive, Confluence, they actually make the team collaborative. They can actually see the work as they do, and they actually can make comments, and they can actually add the share specific document with specific people. So this is fully support like the Microsoft Office. That means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, most all these things people use for every project day to day. So in this, in the Word documents, you can create documentation, and then you can actually share with anybody else, and then as well as then you can actually manage your documentation, version controlling. Now you can add the photos and everything else. So premium OneDrive, I think who has a free. So what happened is,
well, mine is not free. I paid for it, so I have all the access for it. So
yeah. So what happened then? In every company you join, they will give you the license. You do not need to buy. Any of the tools you are using, the company is responsible to buy license for you and provide you. So you do not need to worry about that. So now the question is, OneDrive actually, if you are a Windows user, you can actually sync your Windows files and folder with OneDrive. What are the benefits? It's like the Git. Your Windows computer is your local, and your OneDrive is the remote. So of course you are working on your Windows computer, doing all the work, then you are syncing with the remote computer. And then everything is only the OneDrive. Now your team member, your team lead, your manager, or other people, they can come and see this live. Those are the benefits of the Microsoft Share Drive, Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive before it was the Share Drive. Now it is a OneDrive. It's cloud-based solution, similar to the
Azure DevOps or not?
Confluence.
I mean, yeah, Confluence, sorry.
Okay, that's pretty much it. So now let's create a Word document and create something you can create here as well. Again, okay, go ahead.
Where do you go, like my files?
On the top, the 12 dot. Yeah.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yes, there you go.
Oh, you got, yeah, I mean, I know they're like all that Word, Teams, OneNote. Which one should I click?
No, you can use to-do list. You can add the to-do list. You want to use the Skype, you can use the Skype. You can use the OneNote to take the notes. You guys do not take any notes in your meeting. You see this? Microsoft OneDrive give you everything else. This type of tools are powerful.
Right.
If you do not use it, you are not learning much really. Here. What about the format? 52, here. The bottom one. Yeah. There you go. See? So now you are in the to-do application. So to-do application means our day-to-day activities, right? What do you want to do?
Yes.
Just keep the track. Let's go. So create a task.
Right there, new list.
Add a task. Of course, you can categorize your to-do list. Some is project 1, some is project 2, some is feature 1, some is epic 1. That's called the new list.
Remind me.
Repeat, right? Like the today
Today.
and tomorrow, right? It's all about when you go to the environment, you have to be organized. The more organized you are, the best outcome you can expect from yourself. And best outcome people can expect from you. But you need to give the name. Come on, man, I had a task.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Give a task name.
Sorry.
Update day-to-day activities, right?
I'll just do it for today.
Add. Go ahead. Now you can set it up. So it will send you a reminder. See this? Is it
Add
repeat
step.
to my day? Yeah, add steps. If you want to select the test case, right? What do you want to do? Right. I need to call to the bank. So you need a bank account number. You need to type. You need to call them, and you need to discuss some specific topic, and that's called the add step. What happened with this guy? Did he leave? Got disconnected. Wait for a minute for him. Waiting for him. Can someone? Should I call him?
No, Shulu, I did a mistake. I accidentally hit the sleep bar on my computer. I was typing, I just accidentally hit the sleep bar on my thing. So I'll share it back again. Hang on.
Sure, don't worry about it.
Yeah, so where was I? To-do list. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes. So all the apps, the purpose of all the apps, you have to use them.
One, yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it's like all the Microsoft PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, Teams.
So giving you an example, Faria was supposed to join a meeting last night, 10 p.m. She said she will agree, but she did not join. But if she used the to-do list, that to-do list will send her a reminder. Then she will actually remind, because we are human. We do not need to remember everything. That's the reason we use the technology. Technology is going to help us. Calendar, reminder. To-do list, reminder. Priority list is what I need to prioritize. That's the way you become the what? Most organized, most disciplined in your day-to-day life. Excel, you already know Excel. Excel is you are going to do any type of, and you can create the user story, you can create that subtask, everything you do from the Agile area, you can do from the Excel as well. Good?
Yes, I didn't try that one. What is this? OneNote.
Okay. Notebook. So notebook we do, what do we do? When you guys talk to me, always take the note. Do you guys have a note for every workshop I discuss about? You guys don't have. So you will not be a good anything. When you speak with the senior people, when you speak with, when you are in a class or in a workshop, and you learn from your mentor or the teacher, if you do not take the notes, if you do not reflect on the notes, your outcome will be zero. So that's the reason you take the notes. Make sense? So
Yes.
this also part of the OneDrive. So go back another application. I'm just telling you how you use it, because you guys do not take any notes.
Why should I go?
So now you know the Outlook. So that's the email communication. Teams.
I know the Outlook, OneDrive, Teams.
OneDrive is like the Google Drive. OneDrive is Google Drive. Teams is like each company use the Teams for their communication. Okay, communication means chat. We use our chat, but Microsoft provide the Teams. They used to provide the Skype.
Use the portal.
See this?
Welcome to Teams.
Yeah, go ahead. Continue. So most of the company, when they set up the interview, they will be setting up the interview with the teams. You can
Oh
meet
yeah,
on
we can do the
portal.
meeting too here, right?
You can.
Okay, guys, next meeting we'll try from this portal.
Yeah, these are the tools you need to learn. These are not the joke. These are all the tools need to go on your belt. You need to be efficiently learn and be expert on using this type of tools. It has the mobile app. You can invite the family. You can start chatting with anybody else. You can start the meeting. That's pretty much it. You can see the calendar from here as well. You can see the activity, which is notification. It has the web version and the desktop version.
Application.
Yes, sir. Okay, go to the OneDrive again. So you just know each of the tools, and any environment you go right away, you can actually.
That's the OneDrive.
Yeah,
And if I click here,
OneDrive like is your storage
yeah,
for the chip.
like call this file, okay.
See all your file.
What is this? Click jump.
I don't know. Here it goes. Hang on. It's kind of the video. It seems like video recording.
Or it's like editing software, I think.
Seems like, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, well, we're now doing any video editing today, so.
That's fine. You're good. So go back there.
Calendar.
So calendar, you guys know, we already taught you guys, right? It is different interface, different robustness. Make sense?
Yes.
Create a calendar. This is important.
Add title. What should I do?
Date and time, because in most of the workplace, you will be using this team meeting instead of the group meetings at the team meeting. Yeah, and then everything is same. So we pretty much taught you all these tools. Now you are actually using the different companies, the similar tools. Am I right?
Oh, it's more feature 50 minutes.
And in our calendar, we will be actually adding the reminder as well. Okay.
Yeah, we need to, remember I talked to it, like we need to do the thing, enable the weekend meeting on the portal.
Yes. We are going to do this urgent.
Yeah.
Okay, some of the things are going to do urgent. So you see how easy, right? But this kind of tools, you really have to use them. And they're very easy. They're all your day-to-day life.
What is this? Family safety.
Family safety. I don't think you need to worry about it. You're good. Okay. So chat application, you are good. I think the Outlook means email communication. You guys are good. Good means know how to use it. And I will give you some scenario like to write the email communication. Almost all of the company use the Outlook, either the cloud-based Outlook. Most of the time nowadays, everything is cloud-based in the browser.
Yeah, I see all the company that like is personally, we communicate, they always have the Outlook email.
Yes. All the companies, the Outlook, you're right.
Yeah.
So moving forward, we're slowly removing the Gmail, we are going to bring the Outlook. It doesn't mean that Gmail is not being used. Gmail are being used as well, but the Microsoft is driving the industry because the people, millions of companies, they have been using the Outlook, the billions of employees. So do you guys know we have a documentation for the Outlook on our portal?
Yes.
Good. Who knows it?
Oh, it's nothing. Hang on, let me see. Saw that.
Go to the documentation. I think somewhere, right? Isn't it? Yeah. Post enrollment. What is it?
I think it's something. You know how we do the. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. This Outlook is super important. If you are thinking this is the joke, you'll be a big mistake in your lifetime because you work mostly on the Outlook.
Yeah, one thing I like about Outlook, like you can literally create folders for the emails. Like,
Look at this. So we provide all the documentation. Same thing, they have two applications. One is mail, one is Outlook. So how to forward an email, how to create a folder. Make sure do all of this week activities from the OneDrive, from the OneDrive, yes. Test lead, why you do this? So you create everybody's the folder so that you can actually keep your email in those folder so that you can actually focus on them. In the work, you'll receive like lots of email, many emails, you do not need them, or you do not need them right away that you need to pay attention. Look at this. You can move, test lead, new email, dropped. Dropped means you did not send it, you started writing. That's the dropped email.
yeah,
Draft folder. Then you can go to the inbox, search. You can type, means you want to search a specific email, you can do that. New mail, you can do that as well. Look at this. This is like you want to the visibility. Farhana, what I was saying you, when you are sending to Ashik, but he was not responding to you, you give me the visibility, we call the CC. If you do the BCC, you will never know you sent me this email as well. That's called the BCC, blind carbon copy. If you want to send the mass email and you never want that the who you sent, all the email should be on the BCC. Nobody will know everybody's email ID. Only you will know because you added on the BCC. One more time. BCC, if you want to send an email just for giving an update to everybody else, you do not want other people to know each other email, and you do not want everyone to reply all. Reply all means this email will go everybody. In this case, BCC. Meeting calendar again. See? Email delete and restore. That's it. So this whole application is that this is most important application. This and the chat, most important application you'll be using like your lifetime, become a product owner or any development team member. Good?
yes.
Okay. So